Hello, YouTube. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, sir. Let me just share my screen. Discord. Yep. Yep. Let's wait for more time. Let's more people join. Mm. Here we have like more interesting things going on in Q&As. Look at this, guys. Right. This guys. Maybe maybe you are gonna get a longs today. We might get a longs today if we just get this bottom correlation at C2 and then we can trade 10 a.m. towards highs. But I don't know, we might just take this low as well. So we need to just wait and see what we are going to get here. Yes, yes, he is like perfect. If you see the clear buy side and getting a retracement inside this gap, but comes to NQ just look like it's a lot inside a lot of premium. So that makes it more tricky to look anything in NQ. But yes, perfect. Just clear this out. Let's see how we got our moves in the overnight, even that matters. But these guys, there's no lower big call yet. It's like, how would you say the low of the day is already set? It's not even a week. We also cleared the buy side, and NQ is into a lot of like premium, just keep on pushing higher. Yeah, we still have a draw here in NQ, but expecting some kind of pullback at least inside this cap. I think we have some news coming here today. Let me check. Mm. Let's see if we have any news today. Federal funds rate 2 p.m. We got some news into the PM session. FOMC statement 2 p.m. 2:30 FOMC press conference. You have to be like a bit careful while trading today's AM session because you got news. Yeah, that's it. This is our open. Just like we're not yet sure what's gonna happen because the low has haven't started if you ask me. If you consider this PSP, we have to have here, like if you consider that, like we set a low of the day with that Kraken correlation, then we might chop around today, AM session, and then PM might push higher. That can happen because the overnight push, what we have here is like good, very good. Let's see. So the problem is, yeah, we might get good setups here if we close this C2 and then we can trade. If we close like inside here or somewhere around here and 10 a.m. open, set the low, and then we can trade 10 a.m. body towards those highs. But we need this C2 close. What's happening in 1 hour is yeah, 1 hour looks a bit interesting. Like we are expecting this to be C2. At the same time, we might get this Kraken correlation. Like if this closes bullish and if this just stays bearish, again, that might happen. Or else, like even if so, even if this closes bullish again, then this still can have its highs to look for if these are not yet taken before 10 a.m. But this guy is like he's in session, set a low of the day, he's in session. Let me on that. This is a node you have taken, Kraken correlation, set a low of the day here. Then we can get a good saw like long entry if we wait for 10 a.m. maybe. We have scrap and correlation with Asian session. We have problem with Redwood guys. Be safe, don't like they are having some outrage issue. So the trades are not punching, they say just be careful. If we get this changes rate of delivery, we can just flip our bias to bullish and then for these highs, like clean highs up there. Yeah, NQ looks good. Indices looking so good. What about our gold and silver? Even these, like silver, not sure. Bit confusing in daily. This one stage here, but instead of 4 hour, because this is like much clearer than daily here. We have this PSP, but price in gold is like in a like way more premium. So I think I should just wait and see what we have. 6 p.m. open, and then we just started expanding. Gold is bit tight in like tight range. We have raw in gold. Let's wait and see. It's like if you are trading in trader guys, just be careful because we are having some issue. Oh, this is not silver. Sorry, sorry guys. Let's see that that's article. Here is a silver. What's this doing? Like oil. Oil is looking good. Not gonna lie. It's taken this buy side yesterday and 6 p.m. at the low here. And if we get closer about this candle, then that will be like beautiful to look for longs. And if you see, we might get this one stage. This for longs. Maybe. Yeah. And then like we can look for longs here. It's RP or HO, whatever the asset is. Let's go to YM. You can see YM. YM looks like a little bit weird. See guys. Yes, I think much in YM guys like kind of confusing here. Maybe we have this. Stage. But why has like pretty much highs far away here. We have a lot of room to trade, lot of room to trade up here, like lot. So we can wait and see what I'm getting. See, look at this, guys. Give me a second, guys. Hello. Yeah, I hope guys can hear me. Um, I had some issue with this thing. Microphone. Bluetooth. Yeah, one stage, and we are probably setting a low of the day here. It is one stage and silver. And look at this. Look at this beautiful two stage, guys. Beautiful two stage. This low plus this PSP. We failed to take this low and plus PSP. So that's like beautiful two stage there. This was a trade, but sorry, not sure. This was a trade, but again, I'm gonna take any trades before 10 a.m. So this, yeah, stage with like PSP and beautiful. I think like we should wait, and then we'll get a more confirmation if we invest. And we already invest this, so no have to worry of that. It was a trade, which is like absolutely ridiculous. But again, like time, another 10 minutes, another 15 minutes maybe, another 15, 10 minutes maybe. And at the same time, if we get this changes of delivery, that would be more beautiful to, look for highs in gold, these highs. And if you see in silver, you have a gap here, then yeah, we might get like another two stage or anything like that, and then we can go along. But better to wait. That's what I feel. We should wait till 10 a.m. Not gonna rush. Any questions, guys? You can just Gold PSP and 15 CST. Yes, sir. That's what I'm looking for. PSP plus SMT, that makes it two stage there. Hyperable. But we just need to wait till 10 a.m. Look at this hourly PSP and then this two stage. Even with these legs, it's a lot of cross in correlation with silver today. This low and this low. But yeah, this is enough. Maybe this is enough if it holds. I will definitely push higher. Crazy. This is what we were expecting actually. C2 closer. And then we have these two highs here. Look at this, guys. We got to change this of delivery for some sort of pullback. I'm afraid, like, for this wick here, I'm afraid that, like, 10 a.m. opens and then, like, directly shoots up. It's a problem. On this CST and this SMT here. Yeah, this is empty. This lows within it. We might trade this, but again, like, I'm not going to punch it before 10 a.m. So I'm not going to take it. If we get this CST and then, like, we can take on ship two, maybe. You guys can try this out, but like on your own risk after getting the same set of delivery. Like you can try something like sorry, displacement, leaving a cap, tapping, and then reversal highs. You can try that. Personally, I'm not gonna take it because it's before 10 a.m. and I'm here to just like only trade 10 a.m. candle. So yeah, gold is looking good. Gold is looking clean, guys. To stage. Another 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. Like we'll have patience and wait for 3 minutes. And if we get this CIST in 15 minutes, it will like, we'll get a more confirmation to take to these highs. And these would be our break even if these are not taken before that. Let's see. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever, 2 minutes. We're getting this, but not sure. I'm gonna take it. Again, we'll have a like lot of conferences coming in. See this. Like Why I'm feeling like we are gonna get this gap here, and then we get a tap, and straight away we'll get a good pop up there. We have something looking like clear in gold. We just need to wait. Again, this is the reason we are not going to jump in into a trade before 10 a.m. Chop, chop, chop. Gold is clean. So, like, this is the reason why we analyze multiple assets, guys. Like, here in this chop, the traders will get frustrated. They will take one or two couple of losses and then start over trading here. Instead, just focus on, where you have a usual setup forming. So that will be cool. Look at these guys. Spin around. Yeah, what are you looking for? What this CIST? This this was like I was afraid of this thing, bro. Like, came back and then this pump started pumping higher here. There's no like proper low set of 10 a.m. candle. Easy. Just open straight away started pumping. Like, let's see. We'll wait if we get a some kind of pullback inside this gap. Then then take that, catch that, fully straight. The reason I didn't punch straight here, the reason why we didn't take trade here was like even if we waited for 3 minutes and then 10 a.m. might this might also happen like 10 a.m. opens and then sets a low of the day and then we can get that real push. So we are not going to, you know, get trapped there. That's the reason. At least we need at least we need something like this inside this gap, any kind of track and correlation, changes of delivery, and then we can take this risk. So that this low of 10 a.m. should be set and then we can just fade away from it. That's what I'm looking at here. They still do get some trades in the NQ. Oh, sorry guys. Of this. Everybody is having problem, guys. Just stay away. Raw. Are we missing this trade? We have we have a draw like very near. So we have in wine. Oh, shit. Why am I looking good? But why are we decided? Well, like if you guys might have will be having question that why are we deciding like why are we even looking at YM as it's way more behind than the NQ and ES. That's the thing, guys. This will like push. We have a lot of room up there. We can like take trades in YM, but gold is just playing off like straight up, straight to the TP. Not even single pullback there. Gold, and we can't trade any silver actually. We'll get that you know retracement, but even after getting the problem is after getting retracement confirmation here and then getting changes of delivery, we'll be not having much room to trade above here. That's a problem. We already played out half of this entire move, half of it, and we are only left with half. But after confirmation here, like very less room up here to target that buy side. I don't know. But this thing in my mind, it will just 10 a.m. opens and then shoots up. I even said that before. Oil, oil. 10 a.m. Where do we? Yeah, 10 a.m. is open here. And let's wait, guys. Yeah, yeah, just straight away. Yes, sir. We came. We cannot. We want low to be formed, like 10 a.m. low to be formed. We want like 10 a.m. low to be set, and then some kind of confirmation here, like any kind of inversion or change in set of delivery, and then we can just take the trade. This is not looking like from the fish. Look at this, guys. We are safe. We are safe. We didn't punch that. We didn't like chase the price up there. Crazy dump there. That's the reason. Like I wanted 10 a.m. low to be set first. Crazy dump. I don't know why this dump came up here. Might be some news or something. Shit, bro. The whole framework just went on, like literally vanished on just this single candle here. And what is this, guys? What's happening? What's going on? Really? I think Trump did say something on this unexpected move. Here before 10 a.m. Yeah, wanna wait. Wait and see. And we got hmm, hmm, all this very clear right now. On this move here in gold, that was unexpected. We had a very clean setup, but we just ended up dumping on a single candle. See, the like 3 minute candle just opened and then straight dump. Might be some reason like Trump would have said something on this, so that might be the reason. That's what I think. Just to watch out. So on sectors, I mentioned metals, banks, and IT. So you can go check them out. Metals and all those three sectors have outperformed markets. Coming to the stocks, so Jindal Steel actually, we have this one stage here, but like I don't consider this. This is just 3 minute thing. We can't consider that. The things are just we have this one stage, and we might get this to stay like intercandle SMT here, like 15 minute intercandle SMT, like 5 minutes. But I'm not sure. I'm just looking like a bit tricky. I don't know, even like when Q started acting weird, we had this job, then so they were dumping here. I don't know. We do have this gap though with Novik on a daily candle. So And then so what's gonna happen? We might get this Tuesday in gold again, but not sure. Not I can't say like market just messed up everything with a single candle today. Unexpected. Mhm. EL, maybe put it back into this gap. Put it into this gap if you get this C2 closer. That'd be so good to get these guys. But get that. We need this inversion. That's the problem here. To like where a lot of like wait for long there. Let's wait, guys. No confirmation here. We are not going to rush. We're not gonna rush. We'll just wait and see. Have patience and even if though like anyone got entry at this point here, like at on this CST, they should be maybe break even when market takes these highs. So like they'll be safer. I think that's what I think. But this displacement here, like this candle, single candle dumping like this, was unexpected, and that's not usual actually. Market never does that usually, so can't say anything. Stage in 5 minutes, but do I trust 5 minutes here? Might be because we also got this CST. What is happening? Like, why it's not loading in 3 minutes, guys? What? Okay, we are back. Where is this closure? Another 48, 46, 40, 44 seconds. Let's wait. Let's wait. What do we got on? We are still into this gap, but yeah, I think YM might be decoupled. YM is looking like pretty interesting here. Like if you see this high here, yeah, we have this two stage and this purple two stage, but this YM should not. Yeah, I was expecting not to close this gap, whatever we were forming here. Again, this makes it tricky now. Like we are not even getting displacement down here, and not forming some kind of. We're not even getting displacement, not forming some kind of gaps, and like we are even getting the displacement and even getting the displacement up like on upper side. So that looks like something fishy going on in there. Like price wants to chop around, so not a clean move in one direction. So not gonna touch that. I have this two stage here, but not sure. Where is silver, guys? Not yet. I thought it's taken. It's not yet taken. So we do have a gap forming in silver, but not sure if we close this gap in like gold. Again, it becomes like low probability even for shorts here in gold. Just seek and destroy thing going on in here. 6 viewers, guys. We got 6 viewers first time in our YouTube. So please do like our stream. Make sure to like. Make sure to leave a like. Did we take this time? Silver. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. What is this? Like been higher. Closed. Closed this gap. Literally. Again, like the same thing what happened in YM here. Look at this. We didn't even get a displacement towards one direction and then we came back and we closed that gap again. That's a problem there. Gold crazy. If this 30-minute candle closes some kind of C2 candle here, then we can trade this trade till these highs or something like from 10, 20 points over that. But we still have 5 minutes. to wait there. Again, this is what I was expecting. Even if we wanted to trade bullish here, we need this inversion to happen, or at least this candle to close C2, and we can this candle to close, somewhere above here, and then we can next candle open, set a low, then the set of delivery inside that candle, and then we can just trade these highs. That's what we can do for in oil. Okay, and why I'm again chopping around, no hyper setups we are gonna get here. I think maybe because since the market open, it's just like the chopping around back and forth. So there's two guys to stay away from that at least. Like until unless we get a good displacement in one direction as we have our narration towards. See how is my life going? No idea. I haven't checked today. In much here, we might get this reversal, but I'm not sure. Like, I need two stage to confirm this, bro. Like, I'm not gonna trust this reversal like one stage with this gap here. This I need two stage or clear up this body, something like that. Just a minute though. Yeah, this job guys, that's not safe to trade. We'll be taking break in another 2 minutes maybe. Let's chop it around. All these hits are just chopping, 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 chopping. Oil, we are getting what we are expected here. So yeah, Oh, let's change everything on that single 3 minute candle. This thing here. And we are, I think we are getting that recovery there. We have this two stage. No, only one stage. This is bearish. I can try this, maybe. And try this. But break time, guys. I'll be taking some break and we'll be back. Be on charts, but if I execute here, you guys can see that. What's happening in here, guys? Like, it's totally what's happening in here, guys? My chart is stuck. My chart is stuck here. I don't know what's going on. Let me see in MCC. Even here, bro. Why is this happening? Like, do you guys are facing the same issue, guys? Like any Discord members, if you can answer, or any YouTube people, if you can answer. Hello, hello, hello. I know, bro. I know to do it is wrong. What is down? We have an issue here. This chart is totally stuck, guys. Is it my internet, maybe? Finally, guys. I don't know what's happening here, but we got this cap up kind of thing here. Let's see, crazy, 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 crazy. We got there. I just checked the gold, like normal CFT gold, and it's working fine there. Let's see, guys, how this plays out. Let's wait and see. Yes, sir, we are back. We are back. We are back. Something is happening. This is so fishy. What's happening in all? Oi, 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 oi. Where is freaking charts, guys? The charts. Hey, I don't know what's a glitch app going on in everywhere. Even Trader is down, and I don't know what's going on. Let's wait. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see if this works or not. Hey guys, look at the price here and look at the candles. The candles are not even printing. I don't know what's going wrong. Like I don't know, guys. Is this happening with you guys as well, or only with me? No, bro. Terabyte is not working. Prefer you guys to not to touch any libraries today. Even I am placing my trades in demo because uh, it's like it was down even before the market opened. Terabyte was down. हाँ भाई ट्रेडिंग व्यू में अभी मेरा मेरा तो हो ही रहा है आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे ग्लिच डोंट नो अबाउट ट्रेडोवेट में क्या हो रहा है बट ट्रेडोवेट में ट्रेड पंच पंच कर नहीं पा रहे हो there is something glitch going on in ट्रेडोवेट and even like kind of trading view as well. Look at this. What is this gap, bro? This is not supposed to be here. This gap here. There's some kind of latency, or that might be my I don't know doing silver. Hold on. Let's see in Discord if we can see it in. Oh, we have something clear here, but not in our futures. You see, MGC, which I actually took the trade. It's like some kind of forming gaps and all. But in CFTs, like actual cold CFT, we have a clean candles forming there. I left it. I left it. I left it. Don't know what's going on in here. Slow, slow, very slow. Not, not even moving the tip. We are having snowfall in Redwood, guys. Snowfall in Redwood. If you shake your phone, you will see snowfall. I was just checking card in my phone and I just saw it. Again, in Q and E's and YM are just hopping around. Be very safe today. Happening in CFTC. Oh, oh. Stage. Yes, get off to station. Natural with seal oil. That's what's going on in gold. Gold is like kind of happening. Is that my internet might throw it off? We already have one candle going on here in my phone. Look at that. 530. 500, 530, like those massive gaps forming there. It's 14 seconds to close 15-minute candle here. Very good. Yes, candle. That should be so good to see. What's happening, guys? Like, look at these gaps and all. Reload. Reload. Reload this level. Yeah. Now we are good. Now we are good. I just reloaded that. I think that was my problem. Yes, sir. Now we are good. Once once we get this CST, once we get the CST, my stops will be below this low. Stops will be here. Please, I need this 5 minute CST. Payment open. That is the payment closure what we got. But it would be more nice if we would have got this bullish. But yeah, let's see. Where did we execute it? Yeah, we had a little bit of a problem. I don't know why, but it was cool. Like good entry, but not sure what. Like not until I'm not sure until we are getting this CST. We have this gap. We already opened 15 minutes, so this gap should hold and push it higher. Let's see. Mm, we got something here. It's not like- Bro, I already have this script with me. I already have that script. A lot of people, I was just looking at internet, a lot of people just took a loss on this same instead of delivery. We got this. I got this CIST, so I just traded it. Campaign, campaign higher here, guys. Like a lot of people might have confusion that how would you punch your trade even like even after having this huge fair value gap here, you should be framing reversals from here. But that's not how it works, guys. We have a draw up there, so you should. This is the reason why we build narrative in the market. We are not just coming blindly and punching that, like 2022 model, like out of nowhere, like sweep of liquidity, displacement, fair value gap, and then we are not going to frame any bearish trade here because our narrative tells you something else. So this is our draw. This is my TP at 1 is to 2. Let's see if we get that. Let's see if we get that. Looking good so far. Let me remove this for crazy. I don't know why people are missing such beautiful trades daily on YouTube. How I We had a glitch earlier earlier today in the day. I think still we can't log in trader with in trader sorry trading view. Maybe we can't be able to log in. This was our 10 a.m. open. Actually, if you look at it ideally, the, this trade should be exited on the opening price of 10 a.m. candle because this is negative condition of a candle. This is negative condition. We should be trading this still opening price of that candle. If we are forming such a big wick, you know, let me just be safe here. Break even. Why did I come break even here again? Because if we are forming negative condition of a candle like such a big wicks, we should be trading that candle till the opening price, or else we'll be waiting for this candle to close and then new candle open low and then just trade higher. That should be the ideal trade taken here, not this. If you are involving in this current candle here, you should be exiting at the opening price of that current candle. That's how it works. That's how it should be working if you are trading negative condition of the candle. Some people say that negative condition of a candle should not be traded, but you can trade it, but there are certain rules to trade it. You can trade it, you have to trade till the opening price of that current candle if the candle is negative condition, or else it will just go, you know, tap that opening price and then give a retracements again. This happened on maybe Monday as well. I remember it on during London session maybe happening here. Nothing much, chopping around, YM, NQ, not sure. Clear bias here in NQ. Look at this. Have a clear bias. NQ. Oh, gold is looking pretty good, but again we need like even though we are closing this candle, we need the little bit more volume here to push and rip through it through the opening price. Or else it will just hold and then chop around, or else do a deep retracement and stop me out and then do whatever it wants to. But let's hope for good. We might get that push. Might get that push. So look at these guys, how they're like, look at this candle. It's not even pushing up there. We come, let's wait. That's all we can do. We already missed the trade. We just like see whether it's going to hit our TP or SL or whatever, whatever it chooses. Have this high. Actually, my break even should be at this high. If this high is got cleared out, I should be break even. But again, negative condition. So just to be safe, opening price, we might get rejection from here. So that's the reason I will break even there. Slow price action. Look at this. All the other assets are like top as well today because we have FMC, PM session. Even this is not expected on NQ. Like, bro, see, we had a beautiful like two stage here. Yeah, there are two stage here, guys. Now this two stage, but look at this opening price, holding price. Sorry, opening price is holding here. So, so we are getting that push higher in gold. You need to practice like opening price thing and just keep on pushing higher. Sweet, looking good. This trade kind of looks like exactly the trade I took yesterday. Resembles like similar to the yesterday's trade. Mhm. This should be a ideal break-even price. But again, like, Sorry. I was just clearing out these drawings like unnecessary thing. What did I do? Okay. It's not just, flip around. Saying like we are going to flip this candle. We are going to flip this candle in 40 seconds, guys. Like maybe because we don't have low big there. Maybe maybe this CIST might hold. Yes, sir. Look at this. Now we have this huge pay value gap inversed. We are not sure we're going to come back and rebalance this entire range here. I think we should push. We should be pushing higher. Look at this climb, guys. It's not good climb, but yeah, break even. So no need to worry. Let, let me check. Have micro silver features? I was not aware of this one. I thought there is only silver. Another 7 minutes, guys. Another 7 minutes to get this CHT. Like to close the 15 minute and then get that change rate of delivery. Basically, it means 4 hour candle is flipping. But yeah, sure. Get that. Yeah, please push me. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this, guys. And then let me have a call to the coming. I have a call to take. So, well, this shit is boring, guys. Like, it's not even moving. It's like climbing slow, but the opening price, getting rejections from there, it's a problem. Negative condition candles. Like that. You might tell that we already broken out that level in 5 minutes, but the time frame alignment, yeah, no mic. Just checking my mic, whether my mic is on or not. But the time frame alignment we'll be looking is like 4 hour to 15 minutes. So if we are getting rejection in 15 minutes, then that's a rejection. If we break this and your body close up here, then that's a valid breakout break from this level, not a break from this level. Say breakout. Like this. Another 3 minutes when you close your bodies. Another 3 minutes when you close your above this opening price. That would be considered as a good break. And like probably it might not give as well. So let's see if we get that break. Or else we might just take out that break even. Because like all the assets, guys, all the assets, there's no clear thing to take today. Like we chopped. 10:15 we are started getting clean more like around 10:30. Again, we are getting chop here. Yes, straight chop and oil chop. Ideal thing to trade any of the assets. The only thing I saw is gold, but I don't know if it's gonna give me that move or not. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. How many viewers we got in YT? Only one. Only one. That's fine. Let me join. We'll be having two. I want to play music, but I can't because of copy right. Oh, that's one of my friend using me. We have two viewers, guys. We have two viewers. Here, 33 seconds. We are getting the close. Maybe the recovery will be slow. That's for sure. Like we had this dump, and the recovery will be slow for sure. But at least it should confirm me this change is proper level, and then that will be so good. Yeah, we got this close now. Let's hope for a push up here. So up. We might get that. I think we got this CST. Another 40 seconds we got this CST. That is so good. Two viewers. Who is this? Darshan Gowda. Big fan, bro. Thank you, bro. Thanks, sir. Did you take this trade? Tell me that. Don't do IT guys, by the way. Did you take this trade? Tell me that. So why didn't you take this trade, bro? This is a good one. Friends, maybe we are having here. We have this cat, but I don't know whether it holds. Is it a just a pretty chop here? No, bro, not now. It's not a good time to trade. Don't enter now. Even I am break even, so don't take any trades. Yeah, that's expected. Getting reaction from that 15 minutes. So let's see. Is it hold push higher or else break even? Break even works today because the price is sharp and we have a big news event coming in PM session. So looking good. Holding it. Having a gap and this order block here. But it should be safe. We're just chopping around, guys. Might get stopped out here like on break even, but that's a good try today. Let's see. Let's Even though after two stage, we'll chop it around here, get flush. But this is a good thing. Like, good, we have a good draw here. We should try to expand. And we'll be getting that soon. So, we're getting the CST in 5 minutes. That's a good sign there. That is a good sign there. Do like our stream, guys. Do it that like. There are three people watching, so it's make sure to hit a like. Another 36 seconds. And hit that closure. Go. Yeah, I was really not sure about like this time, but there. Yeah, this beautiful. C2, like C2, forming C2 inside this key level with the same circularity. If we get the C2, we are gonna like pump hard and take our TP, but I don't know if we are getting that. Just chopping around. No, this is boring, guys. Like I might end my stream here, and I'll update the result on Discord. I think that's the best thing to do. Yeah, I want to see this TP, like this hitting TP on live. I don't know whether I should wait or not. Yeah, I will just chop on guys. Not sure. About 7 seconds. Your closure body plan. Just so get that 5 minute change instead of delivery and then pop up. Keep on pushing higher. 31 seconds. With that footstep. Yeah, this candle like this C2 looking perfect to me. This C2 Carousel C2 is at a key level and this zero delivery above the opening price of the system. Here that displacement here in 5 minutes. You get that. You get that. So hope on the next candle we'll get excuse me. Sorry guys. Oh, a lot of waiting guys. A lot of waiting today. Ready. Let's take this nice like if we get this CIST, I stop willing below this low. That makes it protected low. So yeah, this should be minor sell side taken out here. Let's hope for the good and let it take out TP there. Let's see. Okay, we missed it too. Show the my shots below this low. Just because we took this right there. And I need this CST guys. Come on. Come on, gold. Basically, we'll get to this high, but I don't wanna, risk if anyone took this trade. So it's not. Let's not be greedy. We'll be having our idea to out there. Relation and whatever. The 2 minutes. If we get this closure about that, that's so good. Come on, push. I don't have my dinner, bro. It's late already. Just how much? 4 points. Come on. Go take. Come on, come on. Come on, go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another 2 minutes. Come on. Hell no, bro. Don't edge with my TP. But I am. Oh, I'm my TP. Sorry, it's funny. Which, oh, we're just consolidating it. I show why this can be played out in HO. We have this what the stage here. This should be hard. Like or a single standard winning that but HO is not up your risk management there. So not ideal to trade in like 25K account or 50K account. 50K you can trade, but only evals out prefer. You can take risk on evals, not EPAs. We are forming this gap here. We might, yes, we should be just putting it, but we might. Come on, straight away, push it high, gold, come on, gold. We still have drop there. Nah, but don't invest that. No, bro, no, don't do that, gold. Exactly. Yes, sir. GXT. I should just pop up there. Come on, guys. Come on, gold. Don't just fuck around with it. Well, no. Yeah, this beautiful here, the show. But this was like very complicated trade to take on each other. So just say like would not prefer. I would just prefer like simple trades, continuation trades like these. Those works for me. So come on, flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it. And that's a kind of good closure. Not a push. Yes. Could be pushing it up. Yes, sir. Just flipping. Another 20 seconds. Yep, 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 yep. Have a come on. You have 5 seconds. Yeah, with this high, we might just chop around. I don't know. I don't know, sir. Probably like getting bored on this. Hedging with OTP. What are we getting here? Comic. Should we need that? Come on. Another 2, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 10 minutes. Closer. So if we don't close about this candle, I want to just Come on, hit that TP, bro. Hit that TP, hit that TP. Is it 3 weeks? Come on, come on, come on, bro. I can take thing. How much are we going to? It's still not gonna be. Come on, bro. Don't do that. Don't. We need closure about this scandal. I have that already in RB. Yes, sir. Let me reload this, guys. I don't want to see those, fish caps over there. Come on. Come on. Shit. Want to take it out. Want to take it out, guys. So- Yes, sir. We got our TP there. GG's in the chat. GG's. Finally, after a lot of wait, we got our winners. Winner. Chicken dinner. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Patience pays. Patience pays, guys. You have to just wait. You have to, don't rush and catch these like substrates. I had I need the 10 a.m. I need a 10 a.m. low to be set, and this was not an ideal low here. So I just waited. We came back. I don't know why this happened. That might be because of news or something like because of no Trump might have said something. But this drops here. We got this one stage and this inverter candle SMT, and then I entered on this CIST. My stops were very slow, actually. So yeah, I targeted 1:2. We still have these highs to like we can like easily go to the towards this draw, but yeah, I just look for 2 hour. That's my ideal RR. So yeah, crazy trade there, guys. Took a long, but at least we got a good entry. That's what we need. So yeah, let me just post it in a Discord. We have this price cycle. I have this full stage below. Crazy trade, guys. W's, W's. You can still have a trade on RB, but it's late, guys. It's not. We have these draws towards high. You guys can try this. You guys can try this definitely, but I don't think so. It's like trying to trade. So just yeah, on the chance. What's it doing again? Nice. Like just maybe slow there. Just three late price. You guys can take it, but as we say, okay, like we are good. We are near to the draw. We got like buy side total buy side curve here. We set a low of the. No, this is not low of the day. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Do join the live. You have to wait for a good trades. So you can't just come and punch and get those wins. That's not easy. So you have to wait. You'll get a good trades. Have trust on your analysis and you know peace out, guys. Take care. Bye bye.